Next operator is a union operator. Uh, Union operator can be explained, as you all know, from set theory. Suppose I have set A containing 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B containing 2, 3, and 8. When I perform union of A and B, I will get all the union of both the sets. Only the duplicates will be removed. So same thing applies even for the tables. But here some conditions have to be satisfied. Suppose I am performing union on two tables, A and B. Okay. Then what are the conditions is that A and B should have same number of columns, same number of columns, and the other condition is that the other condition is that they should be of same data type. They should be of same data type and in same order and in same same order. Suppose I have, for example, take table A. I'm just taking a random table. Uh, A1, it, or okay, I'll take a specific example. Let table A be student who is in uh, literacy or robotic society. Okay, student who is in robotic society, and the other is students in IoT IoT society. Okay, so if you see both the tables have same number of columns. That is the ID of the student, the name of the student, and his email ID, the college mail ID, not the. Similarly, student IoT, he also has the same structure, the ID, then the name, and the email ID. Now, suppose I want to find out all the students' records who are in both the societies, who are in robotic society as well as in the IoT society. Then how I can I do? I can just take, suppose here I have some records like 101, 102, and 105. The name is A, B, C, email ID something. And then here I have 104, 105, and 101. So here again I have some names and email IDs. Okay. Now, what will happen when I perform, when I want to find out, the question is find out students who are either in, find students, sorry, find the students who are in either uh, robotics or in IoT. So, when the query comes, now this thing we have to find out all the students who are either in robotics or in IoT. So, what we'll do, we'll perform union on this. When you perform union, how will you do? Student robotics union student IoT. So since you can see that the number of columns are same in the both the tables and the data types. For example, ID is an integer, name is a variable character, email ID is also a variable character. In the same sequence, I also have in the student IoT table. So both of them we can perform an union on them. Since I want to find out all the records, I'll just put 5. Since I don't want any specific ID, name or email, all the records will be selected when I do student robotics union student IoT. But if I only put the ID, it will give me only the ID of the student. Okay. Same thing can be applied for the next operator, which is a intersection operator. What is an intersection operator? Intersection operator is basically users who are common to both the tables. Who are common to both the tables. Like I'll again give an example of set theory. Suppose I have A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and B I have 1, 4, 6. If I perform A intersection B, I'll get the records 1, 4, because these are the things that are common to both the uh, both the sets. Same thing applies here. Suppose if I select student robotics and student IoT, and I only project the ID. So what will be the answer? The answer will be those which are common to these two. So what are common to both the tables? I think record 101 and only that is only that one is common. So I'll get 101 as the answer. Whereas in this case I'll get uh, all the records. That is 101, 102, then 104 and 105. So all of them will be in the answer. Whereas in this case I'll get only the intersection. Now comes the difference operator. What is the difference operator? The difference operator is, sorry, difference operator indicated using the minus sign. So what is the difference operator? Suppose if I have set A 1, 2, 3 and 4, whereas set B I have 2, 4, 8. When I do A minus B, what all records are there in B will be subtracted from A. For example, 2 and 4 exist both in A and B. Those will be subtracted from A. So I'll get answer as 1 and 3. So same thing using this example, if I perform pi ID, only select the IDs of those students who are in robotics minus students IoT. It will give me ID of those students who are in robotics but are not in IoT. So this gives me students who are in robotics but not in IoT. So the answer will be what from the example? So I have to delete 101 because they are common to both. So that one will be deleted and only those students who are in robotics but not in IoT will be displayed. So I'll get the answer 102 and 105.